How to divide using the bus stop method. So the bus stop method looks like this. Firstly, you need to draw it. Then place your dividend in the middle. That's the number that is getting divided. Then place your divisor on the outside. That is the number you're dividing it by. Now for the method. How many groups of 4 can you make with 2? You can't, so you carry that 2 along. Then that 6 becomes 26. How many groups of 4 can you make with 26? You can make 6, and you have 2 left over. So you put the 6 at the top and carry the 2 along. Now, that 2 creates 20 because of this 0. How many groups of 4 can you make with 20? 5. Put that up top. Then your answer is 65. The next one, 240 in the middle, 5 on the outside. 2 divided by 5, I can't do. 0 goes on the top, I carry the 2. 24 divided by 5 is 4, remainder 4. 4 on the top, carry the 4. 40 divided by 5 is 8, given an answer of 48.